1969, the year Chevrolet unleashed the Camaro SS, and now we're bringing it back from the dead. Wider, lower, meaner, a wide-body pro-touring concept with absolutely nothing held back. The silhouette is unmistakable, but every line has been sharpened, every surface stretched. Carbon fiber wide-body fenders flare out 4 inches on each side. A hand-laid carbon hood with a functional ram air scoot feeds the beast underneath. And what a beast it is! A twin-turbocharged LS7, bored and stroked to 427 cubic inches. Custom headers, precision 76mm turbochargers on both banks. The result? 1,200 horsepower on pump gas. That power feeds through a sequential dogbox transmission, built for the track, tuned for the street. A full tube chassis underneath, pushrod suspension geometry at all 4 corners, coilovers dialed for grip. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes hide behind custom-forged 3-piece wheels, 19s up front, 20s in the rear. Wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, 345s in the rear, because this car doesn't just go fast, it stops. The exterior wears a satin black finish that absorbs every photon of light, twin racing stripes in gloss black, a full carbon fiber rear diffuser, a carbon wing, quad exhaust tips glowing orange in the dark. Step inside and the race-bred cockpit surrounds you, Alcantara everywhere, a flat-bottom carbon fiber steering wheel, digital instrumentation, racing harnesses, a billet aluminum sequential shifter, and a full Chromoly roll cage, because 1,200 horsepower demands respect.